Hey guys, and welcome to Ninja Kiwi. This is sad. Every time I record a video, it always crashes. Like, it literally gets rid of the video. Please don't crash again. Thank the Lord Almighty. Just get back like a newbie. I had so many good things, but this one just deleted itself. Because and the smell is so delightful. Even though the second single pizza dude. What? What's the camera lost? Look, oh, that's what. Well, the first time I went, I had to go to the tutorial. Freaking sucked. Because it, automatically put me in the game. I didn't want to go in because I was going to start recording. So, yep. But we're all recording, on Wednesday. If it did do what it did. Oh, and Merry Christmas. I know I missed that. It's not even Christmas yet. But I got to just sit here. And this guy's AFK. Oh, that'll be epic. I just get 15 things for free. Oh my gosh, he is.